Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the comments I see very often of people telling everyone that the video is wrong, that Windows crashes a lot, it's unstable, it's not true that Windows is stable. Well, it just shows how people refuse to see that their own PC has a problem. It always has to do with something else, never their own PC. One of the things also I've seen a lot in the comments is, Windows 11 crashes a lot, but Windows 10 is stable. Windows 11 doesn't crash more than Windows 10. They are both extremely stable. All my Windows 11 machines are stable and never crash. It's very simple. Makes me laugh when I see that, because it just undermines how people think that it has to be Windows. It can't be anything else. It can't be their PC being wrong. Some of them have built their own PC and, no, I built my PC with good parts. Doesn't matter. Good parts could have problems, and drivers could have problems. And even building your own PC could have problems, because it happens that two parts might not be 100% compatible together, even though they follow the same basic rules. It happens that some parts don't connect well or work well with a motherboard. So no, Windows 11 is as stable as Windows 10, and don't believe anybody is going to tell you the otherwise, because it's not true. Windows 11 is not a problematic operating system. It works fine. The thing is, what a lot of people that think that might be going through on certain computers is that when we have a new version of Windows, say you're moving from Windows 10 to Windows 11, very often that change requires also tweaked drivers. So they say, well, Windows 10 works fine. I go to Windows 11, I get a blue screen. Well, it might be because you need updated drivers for the Windows 11 operating system. A lot of things also that are going wrong, and this is one of the best ways to have a crashing computer. If you upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, keeping everything, that definitely will rise the chance of your PC crashing all the time. That's why when I move from one version of Windows to the next, I usually don't upgrade from one to the next. I clean install the new one so that I know it will be fine. So these are often things that are overlooked and that give that false impression that maybe one operating system is not as good as any other. It is not true that Windows 11 is unstable. And once again, something's going on with your PC if that happens. The other thing, there's a lot of software also. People that tend to install too much stuff. I always say it. We don't need cleaners. We don't need optimizers. We don't need any extra software. There is no need. There's a big market for that. We see ads everywhere about, download our Windows registry fixer. No, there's no such thing as a registry fixer. It does not exist. What it does is just very, very, very surface. And that doesn't change anything. It's untrue that after uninstalling software, you got to clean a registry. No, it doesn't matter. Windows runs fine. What will make it run bad is, of course, install, uninstall, install, uninstall. Over time, there could be corrupted files, all sorts of things like that. But, it's the least amount of software you have on your PC, just the one that you need, the one that makes your computer run the way you want, nothing else. And if your hardware is fine, Windows will be fine too. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.